Welcome to the Daily Dose on Monday, October 7th, fam. It's hashtag Mental Health Monday, which is so good. I'm so glad we have hashtags to talk about mental health and mental illness. That's great because this happens to be National Mental Illness Awareness Week put on by the National Association of Mental Illness, NAMI.org. And we're just going to break down stigma today. We're just going to talk about like how there doesn't need to be any stigma about mental illness because 1 in 5 of us deals with a diagnosable mental health disorder. So you stick 5 people in a room, 1 person has a mental health diagnosis. That's 20% of us. Did you know that mental health illness accounts for $193 billion in lost earnings per year? That means the people who have mental health are not making money because their mental health is interfering with their ability to make money, to make an earning. That's huge. And I think that's why we have to break down the stigma. We have to keep talking about this. Speaking of talking about this, I'm actually talking about the intersection of mental health and mental illness, along with intimate partner violence in the LGBTQ community. So kind of some heavy stuff. Talking about that today on Channel Q, which I'm on every Monday. I'm not sure if you guys have picked up on that yet or not, but Channel Q is a nationally syndicated LGBTQ focused radio station that is in like 20 plus markets across the country and on radio.com. So download that app if you want to check it out or go to channelq.com. You can, I think it's wearechannelq.com. wearechannelq.com to see what radio station they're playing in your community. I'm on every Monday. And today we're talking about LGBTQ domestic partner violence and the intersection of that with mental illness. So lots more to come this week on mental illness through the Daily Dose and otherwise. And I hope y'all are having a great Monday. No stigma about mental health. We're just going to talk about it and it's going to be okay. We're going to deal with this together. All right, fam. Love you so much and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow for the Daily Dose.